Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some good news and bad news regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So very recently, Ice Universe, one of our reliable leaksters on the Samsung side, has tweeted that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is going to support 45 watts of wired charging and also 20 watts of wireless charging. So that is great news, but there's also a bad side to his tweet. And that one is Samsung will release related chargers. However, the charger that you're going to get in the retail box is going to be 25 watts. Alright, so good news, we do have support for 45 watts of fast, probably super fast charging, but in the box we're only going to get a 25 watt power supply. Now that's still better than what you would get on the S10, S9, Note 9, but it does mean that if you want that super fast wired charging, the 45 watt charging, you're going to have to go out and buy a charger, which is most likely going to cost you $20, $30, $40. So that's that. Now really quickly, I want to talk about the 20 watt wireless charging. So again, that's fast wireless charging. Now on the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, S10 Plus, S10 5G, we do have 12 watt, maximum 12 watt of wireless fast charging, and I'll give you the numbers on that one, and I'll use Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus as an example. That phone charges from 0 to 100 using a 12 watt fast wireless charger in 1 hour and 30 minutes or within that range. So a couple times my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus charged from 0 to 100 in 1.5 hours, and a couple times it charged in 1 hour and 41 minutes, and in that range. So that's already pretty fast wireless charging speeds, only available on Samsung smartphones. Now we're getting 20 watts fast wireless charging. So I'm really excited and looking forward to see what kind of charging speed that is going to produce. But the only thing that gets to me is obviously you're not going to get the 45 watt charger in the box. At least that's what Ice Universe is saying. Ice Universe has had a good track record of being accurate. A couple times he messed up, he said something that did not happen, and then he deleted his tweets, but that's only 5 to 10% of his reporting. Now this tweet here looks really confident. Let's move on to the next thing I want to talk about regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus. And again, this is something people have been wondering about. We do know for a fact that there's not going to be a headphone jack on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Some people were asking, if you're not getting the headphone jack, are we at least going to get the wireless earbuds, the Samsung earbuds in the box, bundled in the retail box when you buy it? The answer to that question is no. What you are going to get in the box is a bunch of wired Type-C headphones. And of course, if you want to buy the Galaxy earbuds, you can buy them separately. They're $129. But most likely, if you're one of those guys that does an early pre-order, you will get them for free as part of the pre-order package. Now, I do not have 100% confirmation on that. That could happen or not, but we do know for a fact that in the box, you're not gonna get the wireless earbuds bundled in. You're gonna get the wired earbuds, okay? So that was quick updates, good news, bad news, a mix here. But let me know what you guys think down below. And of course, for now, guys, have a fantastic day and stay tuned for Note 10 updates. All right. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.